terrible, and I just wanted to check in with you guys. I'm fixing to start doing some baking for the holidays. So let's go check out my new weather station that I got for Christmas. Woo-wee. Okay, you can see it here. He mounted it back in the corner of our property, and it is going like crazy. I don't even think that they predicted this today, but anyway, I'm really excited about this. I can monitor it from anywhere. I can monitor it from my phone. I can monitor it from the inside of the house and from the internet. This is really a great thing that I'll be able to use for my garden planting that's coming up in the spring. He also got a soil temperature gauge that we'll be using, and that's going to help us a lot too when it comes time to plant. Let's go check out the control panel. Here's one of my two indoor panels, and you can see it's sustaining at about 27 miles an hour. It's gusting up to 37, but it has the temperature outside, the humidity, the barometer, the temperature inside, the humidity, the wind chill, what the rain has been, what the rain is per hour. But let me tell you guys, it's brutal out there right now. It's all over the place. It's good to be in from out of the wind, guys. It has been brutal today, and I expect it's going to continue on through the night. I'm not sure that they were predicting this. It started in the night last night, but it certainly wasn't as bad as it is now. It has progressed and gotten much worse. But anyway, I am off for the next 12 days, and I'm super excited because I'm going to do lots of baking and lots of cooking. And of course, I'll be doing some videos. I'm going to be making some Christmas cookies. If you want to know some of the best cookie recipes, go back and look at my videos. I did the 12 days of Christmas cookies last year. I also did a video on where Christmas cookies came from, and I think that you guys would probably enjoy watching that. Go and look at that. But anyway, so I will be seeing you guys in the next couple of days. I'm very excited to be off. I'm sure you guys are too. And Christmas is just a couple of days away. Thank you for watching. Take care. God bless.